I'm glad we came to the beach.
Yeah, but that was so, like, a workout.
I know. I think it was a good idea to race.
You came before me. I thought dogs were, like, faster, but I don't know. It's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
I better not do that. Okay. It just got really dark. The sand's
Wait.
really deep.
What's that?
Let me see. But it's a map.
Is there treasure like in those fairy tales?
It's probably just some kids doing some fun things. But I guess we'll try it. Ow. I guess we'll try it.
Okay.
Well, it says walk this way.
Wait up for me.
And then just this way. This way.
No! Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What?
I have a question. Will I get half of the treasure if you find it?
Sure.
But
What is it now?
what happens if I find the treasure?
We'll still do it half to half.
But then also, like,
It's not fair for me.
true. But I feel like it's like not even gonna be treasure.
We're still adventuring.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, this way. We gotta go straight this way.
There's actually an X mark.
I guess I'll dig.
No, we need shovels.
No, I could use my paws. Someone pack shovels. Wait a second. Oh. Wait a minute.
A treasure chest. I gotta throw this back in.
It's really dirty.
Maybe you should go clean it and open it.
Okay, BRB. Oh, by the way, just hold this.
Okay.
I did it!
Okay, finally.
Look what's in here.
Ah! It matches my dress perfectly.
Look at this beautiful dress!
I gotta go get dressed.
I'm not getting dressed. It's too fragile. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I don't know. Let's put this chest away and this. Oh, I'm gonna get the trash can.
I'm beautiful. I knew it would suit me. Where'd you go? Excuse me, why are you always running away?
I had to put my stuff away.
Okay.
That was fun, but really, we should get on and just going to the beach and stuff. And like swimming. This is the beach after all.
Okay.
By the way, where is everybody in this beach? Are we at the ocean instead of the beach?
No, it's the beach. It's just school days for most people, and that's why they don't come here.
We have school days too, and we just finished.
I know, but some school days go longer than ours.
I don't know, but I just feel like digging and just, I don't know. I feel like we should do something. Other than like doing boring stuff.
Well, I don't know what I want to do.
We could get a tan. No, it's boring.
I-
We could dig for
I
more
don't-
treasure.
I don't can good.
We could dig for more treasure.
Do you think there's 2 treasure chests on a beach?
There could be. I don't know.
Yeah, there's nothing down here. What was that about? Oh no! She went too deep! Come back!
I didn't find anything.
You went too deep, you scared me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, we made a bridge. Beautiful.
It's a horrible bridge.
That's one thing for sure. The birds are really calling today.
But it's nature.
That's even a word.
I don't know. I like it. Okay. I know. We should go swimming.
Let's go. I'm staying on the beach. Ah. What is happening? What is this? I need to get in a hole. It's filling in! No! Me! It keeps coming! This feels nice. I'm staying here. Oh, very nice. But I gotta change it to my swim gear. More like sand gear. Very nice. I have to say I'm feeling much better than before. What is happening today?